In today's video, we will explain how scheduling tests work. Scheduling a test is done through testing sessions. Today we will explain how it is done through the Tests module of the application. Click on Tests and Manage Tests, and then find the test you'd like to schedule in this table, and click on its title. To schedule this test to be taken, click on the Schedule a Testing Session button. Select New Testing Session and begin by entering the name of your testing session. Decide its availability and the time zone. You can optionally add additional instructions for this session, or simply load the predefined ones. In the Candidates and Sharing dialog, you can decide if you'd like to assign candidates to this session manually, one by one. Select between assigning candidates from the list of all users or a specific user group. Once the session is created, you can manually assign candidates from the selected list. You can also allow this session to only be taken as part of a training course, or enable the self-enrollment option so that candidates can enroll themselves in the session. Select who can book this session if it's available in the future, or who can start if it's available immediately. It's possible to generate a link by clicking this button and forwarding it to a candidate from an email, a website, test publishing, or any other platform. It will directly navigate them to the test after they log in or register. While a guest link will produce a temporary account for a user that's taking the test and have it deleted as soon as they finish. By clicking Require additional authorization to enroll into test, this simply means that access to the exam is restricted for users who do not have the right authorizations. In the Booking Settings dialog, you can define the booking and cancellation deadline for this session. From and until when will booking and cancelling a seat be possible? And you can also set the number of seats to be unlimited, or limit the number of participants in this exam by determining a number in this field. In the Proctoring and Password Protection Settings dialog, you can configure proctoring. Choose from various options in this drop-down menu, or if you prefer it, you can have this session without proctoring. Lastly, you can configure proctoring via a meeting tool, such as WebEx, or through a meeting link. Lock your session with a password, which will require candidates to enter it before starting the test. The price can be configured after a testing session has been created. We will explore this option later in this video. Choose one of the previously defined testing locations. This is useful for defining physical locations when organizing a test, or making a virtual location for proctors monitoring a test. In the additional settings, you can input information in these fields if you'd like to integrate this session with another system. Otherwise, you may leave them blank. To set a price for this session, it's important to know that the self-enrollment option must be enabled for it. To set it, you can do so by clicking the three dots and then selecting Set Price. Now, enter the price and the currency and update the session. The second method of creating a new testing session is loading multiple testing sessions by filling in our predefined Excel template. To do so, click the Load Testing Sessions button. Click on this text to download our predefined Excel template. If you have any questions about filling in this Excel template, please read the detailed instructions by clicking here. In this example, we will import 3 new testing sessions. Choose your Excel sheet by clicking on Select File, and then click the Upload button. Keep in mind that even after your test is published, you will still be able to create testing sessions or edit the existing ones. By conducting tests through testing sessions, you can effectively accommodate users from different time zones and continents, ensuring equal access and participation for a diverse audience.